uploading daily videos. Maybe I'll stop someday, but not anytime soon. And then the music is blasting from Buena Barra, La Buena Barra, that restaurant on the 4th floor up there. And they got all kinds of restaurants over there. So there was a little more happening. There is a little more happening over here. Those are upscale restaurants with big TV screens, and they're showing a football game, soccer, I mean, you know, football, world football. Oh, wow, there's something happening over here too. Well, I'm so glad I kept the video going because I want to show what's going on around here. And you, buddy, unless you want to pay for my damage, you better stop your little ass. Wow, look at this. Everybody's just chilling, eating food, blasting the music and all of that. So let's keep going through. It is a little loud, but hey, who am I to tell them don't do it? And this is the entrance here. Excuse me. Wow, that is it's a high-end place, man. Y'all, it's a high-end place. Not a joke. It must cost a pretty penny just to go in there and sit down at one of them tables. They're living the high life. Whoa, here we go. Talking about the high life, and we got the Audis right here. I forgot about this. And which one do you guys like? Which Audi do you like? The sports car over there or this SUV Audi Sport? I like this one. This one, charcoal black. Wow. Get your hands off of my stack, Jack, and don't come back. Wow, wow, wow. That was cool over there. What we just came across here in Polanco. This is Polanco. You guys got to check it out. I don't even know what that restaurant's called, but anyhow, you can discover it when you come here. And then we got nobody turning. No. Hey, doggy, go ahead. Cross the street, doggy. Cross the street. Stay with your mommy and daddy. Wow. Let's see what else is up ahead. Sometimes I feel like him. Ha ha. Oh, that's Nelson. Then we got the Y-Way shop over there, the telephone shop. Y-Way was banned in the US of A by Mr. Trump. Okay. Anybody planning on getting married soon? Anytime soon? Getting married? You got some wedding dresses here for the bride to be. And I don't think they rent them out. I think they might just sell them. Wow. And then you got that even other one over there. Look at these things. Well, count me out. Well, I can't never say totally never in terms of doing the Mercedes-Benz and sushi at the restaurant. I won't discount the the probability of ever getting married. I'm just zero religion. I'm not a Catholic. I'm not anything. I don't do that, and I'm not going to go through some stupid course. That's for me. I'm just not going to do through a marriage course, marriage counseling, whatever, pre-marriage thing, and that I got to do my first communion, the second one, and my confirmation. I never did any of that. Never will. I almost did it many years ago when I was going to get married. I was going to get married twice. Twice I would be divorced now, twice. I would have been divorced twice by now. It wasn't for me. Not in terms of marriage. Who said you need a contract for that? Sorry, I scared the girl there. Who says you need a contract for that? Love doesn't need a contract. Marriage doesn't need a contract. Who came up with that, Jack? Tommy Pizzas, Sally Beauty, Wingstop, Burritos Mexico, and whatever else they got around here. Look at that nice looking house. Edificio Raúl Jorge, the Raúl Jorge building. Tehran rugs. Let's cross the street. Most of the times that I've come close to getting hit by a car here, it's been a BMW or Mercedes or an Audi. Nice doggy. Hey, little doggy. And those are the rugs from Tehran, Iran. Those puppies must go for a pretty penny. Original rugs. El Gran Café de Mexico, Punta del Cielo, Heaven's Point, the Grand Coffee of Mexico. But I don't see many people here. I see like 3 folks in there and a couple of spirits along the way. Oh, wait a minute, I see more people. Mind my tongue. 7 people total. Lucky 7. They got a lot of nice apartment buildings around here. 2, 3-story apartment buildings, homes, and then high-rise apartment buildings. And this restaurant is called Entre Fuegos, Between Fires, or something. Wow, they look beautiful. One of them at least. Damn, she's got a good-looking body too. I gotta give her props. Props meaning she deserves what I'm saying. Pure compliment. Okay, this video's gone on long enough. Porfirio's restaurant. This is also a chain of restaurants here in Mexico City. I don't know if in the rest of Mexico, but it is all along here. And, well, not just yet. Look at this one. Since 1924, Santa Clara. Deliciosos Lactos. Delicious dairy products. Handmade, artesanales. So this is the place. Yogurt, milk, cheeses, coffees, ice cream. Extraordinary and nothing more. Natural. That's the place. Oh, ice cream. Oh, they got a lot of flavors in there. I'm hungry, but not for sweets. Something salty. I almost ended this video, but I see more things that I can still show you guys here along the walk. Viva Mexico! Viva Mexico! Long live Mexico! Wow, that looks pretty interesting over there, that restaurant. Or something there on the second floor with all those colors. It's called Rincon Argentino. Oh, the Argentinian corner. Wow. So it's called the Argentinian corner. Rincon Argentino. So it must be a 2-story restaurant. And here I was thinking about ending the video quickly. Those of you who enjoy this kind of video, you're enjoying it. Congratulations for watching it this long. Nice fries. Well, I am enjoying myself here. I'm having a ball, just walking around. When I get home tonight, later on, probably gonna be so tired, I'm gonna be just crashing and burning, go to sleep tomorrow, Saturday, and thinking about what to do tomorrow. Where to go, another walking video at night. Maybe today I'll go to Alameda Park here tonight, because I've never done a walking video inside Alameda Park. That store, they even have it in Colombia, L'Occitane en Provence, a French kind of perfume place and all. In this restaurant, there's one over there called Sky, and this one's called La Bikina. La Bikina, I have no idea what that means, but check it out. Looks pretty cool. Looks pretty happening. Nice. I just don't like pushing cameras up in people's faces. I'm just doing the whole restaurant in the external part, but avoiding, putting the camera like in somebody's face, like, hey, what are you doing? Hey, are you eating that? You got some food between your teeth there, lady, or something is on your cheek. You didn't eat it right. No, that's just messing with people, and I don't like doing that. But I'll just do the flyby in terms of just passing by and showing different things. Holy mackerel, did somebody order a monster truck? Look at this puppy here. Holy schmackaroni. Sherp. What the hell do you do with this thing? I mean, it's not for you to go Sunday driving. Oh, they're armored vehicles, bulletproof and everything. What the hell are you going to protect yourself from in that thing? I mean, you're just calling your attention. people's attention onto you just by driving that monster around. That's more like for survive the Walking Dead apocalypse or something. Wow. I am enjoying this walk. And you got like these apartment buildings on the side roads here, the side streets, this way, but they're a whole lot better down that way. Don't believe me? Just come for yourselves and check them out. I've walked around here in the daytime twice and darn good things. And you probably saw a couple of those videos already, even the shorts videos. Wow, 40 minutes long. Wow. Like I said, some of you might not like this. It's okay. Remember what I said at the beginning of this video? Take what you need and leave what you don't need. Same thing applies all the time, just like on Fear the Walking Dead. I had never gone into this area, this side of, in this direction. And this probably will be my last time here. So enjoy it. That's what I'm doing. Another beautiful little doggy, a little type of schnauzer, all beautiful and everything. Ryoshi, another Japanese restaurant over there. And look at this tree here too. Wow, nice block and all of that. And then you got Taqueria Califa. They got El Califa. They got them around here in Ciudad de Mexico. And I think they got them in Tulum or in Playa. I don't remember. But yeah. And Puerto Madero. I think there's even a restaurant by this name in Colombia. Steak and Fish House. Hey dudes. Well, I would definitely not be caught dead wearing one of these things. Not for me. Not my style. Black, cool. But the mother colors, frisky, no way. Like that one. That's a nice tux. And with that purple vest behind and the shirt, okay, that would be cool. But just for a special occasion, because I really don't like those things. I mean, this is endless. Well, pretty soon I'm going to be feeling like that guy, sleepy. This is a bed shop. Bed, mattresses, and pillows. I'm going to be dreaming with some of my doggy children. I mean, all my doggy children that have already left. I don't have any more doggy children, but I still have doggy sisters and doggy brother and doggy cousins. So I'm going to be dreaming about them tonight, even if I won't remember. I love them, even though they're gone. Negra, the female lab I had, Sparky, Cirilo, Titan, Lorenzo, and all the other ones that have left that were not my children, but my family or friends, doggies. And I love them all. And the ones that are still here. And here's that chocolate shop that they have all over. I think it's this one, El Garrat, Tierra Garrat. And this one looks pretty nice compared to the others I've seen. Two-story one. In a restaurant. Okay, the restaurant is on the second floor. Spanish cuisine. And the first floor is this chocolate place. They sell chocolate and all kinds of stuff. Hey, beautiful doggy. Nice doggy. Tierra Garrat. Nice coffee shop and pastry and whatnot. Yeah, more people want to get married. Okay, guys, I'm definitely going to let you go for now. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay happy-go-lucky, enjoy life. And Viva Mexico, Viva Mexico, Viva Mexico! Bye, y'all.